should always stand ajar, ready to welcome the ecstatic experience. A warm greetings to everyone out there watching this special occasion today virtually with delight. I'm super excited as I was given the privilege to unfold the investiture ceremony to invest our newly selected office bearers of the academic year 2021 to 2022. Great leaders don't set out to be a leader, they set out to make a difference. It's never about the role but always about a goal. Leaders do not force people to follow but invite them on a journey. Leaders are the role models who inspire them, motivate them to reach the pinnacle of success. Irrigators channel waters, fletchers straighten arrows, carpenters bend roads, wise master themselves. We Bedanians dream of liberation through wisdom. We inculcate in students the 21st century skills and mold them to design their future and make them better citizens tomorrow. Education for us is a vision of going beyond, breaking barriers and building bridges with the aim of bright future. Investiture ceremony is not just about providing titles. It's about conferring responsibilities to the students to take charge of the school and take it to a height which they desire with their leadership and communication skills, decision making and teamwork. The litmus test is over and the list is out. The best of students would be the epitome of our mission to reach high without losing the basic values of integrity and transforming individuals. We, along with the school dignitaries, officially invest the selected parliamentarians to don the mantle of responsibility and to carry out with utmost dedication. Without further delay, let's dive in.
we are different. We're from all around the world. We share the same sun, we share the same ocean. We're every boy and girl come together and share the dreams to be among the stars. And we know that it's destiny, and we are unity. And we are unity. I believe, oh, I believe in destiny. It's up to me to make it into reality. Give me your hand, we'll find a way. There's people out there, they feel the same. If we help each other, I just know we can succeed. We are one, but we are different. We're from all around the world. We share the same sun, we share the same ocean. We're every boy and girl come together and share the dreams to be among the stars. And we know that it's destiny, and we are unity. And we are unity.
A pleasant morning to all. If your action speaks a legacy that inspires others to do more, learn more and become more, then you are excellent leaders. To honor the leaders of Bethany, our parliament team is getting ready now. A multi-talented personality who believes that success is the sum of hard works that day in and day out. I'm feeling glad to invite our proud winner, Ashish, School People Leader of this academic year 2021-2022. Let me invite Ashish on stage. It's our time to honor our SPL Deepika. By her uniqueness, potentiality and his way of approach, she reached the position today. And now it's time for her to taking in charge. At this moment, we are in time to honor our Assistant School People Leader, Jisho. I would like to invite Jisho on stage. It's a moment of privilege to hand over the post of ASPL to Blesslyn Shino. Let me invite Blesslyn Shino on stage. To taking in charge of lawmaking and maintaining discipline in Bethany in this academic year, Aislinn Siju is elected as Parliament Affairs Minister. Let me invite Aislinn Siju on stage. A.B. Karunya is elected as Parliament Affairs Minister for this academic year 2021 and 2022. Karunya, now you can receive your designation. Now the stage is yours. Now it's my time to introduce Bethany's Home Minister. Joshua is taking in charge of Home Minister of this academic year. As the optimistic approacher, he is taking in charge. A proudful moment to honor our Home Minister Ansela Virgin. As the positive thinker, she is taking in charge as the Home Minister of Bethany for this academic year. plan, promote and implement environmental policies in Bethany, Jeffrey Heslin is taking in charge as Environmental Minister. Let me call upon Jeffrey Heslin on stage to get his designation. We are in time to hand over the Environmental Minister post to Babida. Babida is taking in charge as the Environmental Minister to implement the environmental plans in our school. Our Parliament election 2021-2022 is revealing Ashin Babu as a IT and Broadcasting Minister. Now our Minister is taking in charge. To handle, formulate and implement the areas of information, B. Binu Mol is taking in charge as IT and Broadcasting Minister. Now the turn is yours to receive your post.
കൊണ്ട് തീവറക്കും കണ്ടൽ ഉണ്ട് മുന്നെടുത്ത് കാലവയ്യടാ காயமன்று தீரினால் நியாயமெங்கள் மூச்சு என்று உண்மையோடு சேர்ந்து நில்லடா அச்சமுண்டு அச்சமுண்டு வெற்றி கொள்ள வேண்டும் என்று அச்சம் கொண்டு லட்சம் வெல்லடா அந்த வேக தூரல் ஒரு வணக்கப்பட்ட பிள்ளையே நீ மகள் சோழ முடியடா உயிர் காத்திடுவோம் நம் தியாகம் நம்மை தாங்கி பிடிக்கும் போவோம்
Let us start this wonderful program with
of Niga, who strongly believes that teamwork has power. Let us hear from her what she feels.
Teamwork provides great new ideas. In reality, each individual has his or her own creativity. So, when we put each individual ideas together, surely we will get a good product. So, I can say that teamwork will provide you great more ideas, and we can also learn new ideas from the others.
Okay, so you strongly believe that teamwork provides more ideas since there are many team members. Am I right, Nika? Yes. Carol, what do you feel about this?
Well, it doesn't. Every people are not same. They have their own personality, taste and creative ideas. He or she may like the video or not. When someone feels like their idea is unwanted to the team, then he or she stops offering ideas to the team and thinks he has no freedom in it.
They could cut it for themselves.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, Kirtana has something to share us. Let us hear from her.
Team time management is somewhat different from individual time management. Each individual will work less, but output will be more when they work as a team. As they are working less, it will be efficient without stress. It allocates time to each team members without stress.
So in nutshell, what you are trying to convey is teamwork produces trust.
Yes.
Definitely not.
In nutshell, what Kirtana tries to convey is teamwork reduces stress.
Definitely not.
Danya is ready to express her views. It's your time, Danya.
Teamwork brings delayness in doing the work and it will not be presented in a right time. Teamwork makes the people in the team lazy and they will postpone things like tomorrow and the submission will be too late.
Ma'am, there are difference between a single person and a team. Since it's a team, if we start a delay even, we can complete it by the given time.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Abhishek, the floor is yours.
There will be not any perfection in the work done during a short period of time. There will be a great difference between the work done in a short period of time and the work done in long time.
Japin, please note this. This has some value, right?
Yes. Even I can share my own experience that I have done a work in a group and I gave lots of creative ideas to my group members, but nobody accepted my ideas. I felt great depression on my mind. On that day onwards, I decided not to do any work as a team.
Very good decision, Abhishek.
When an individual gets depressed, there will be no one to support him. But when a member of a team gets depressed, then the rest of the members will cheer him up.
Motivation, that's what you are telling. As a team, there will be many members, so it is easy for everyone to motivate one another. And Nika, what do you think about this? Is it right?
When a person gets depressed in a group, other members may cheer him up, but the cheering way may be not welcomed by the depressed person. It may irritate him more and it may also affect the group members. Ma'am, it is difficult to run a team without proper meetings and meetings need to be managed and organized effectively. It may take more time, but the team members may not have time and they have their own personal issues and problems.
So she himself or herself can decide when to start, where to start, how to start. But in a team, we have to think about others, their plan, everything, and sometimes it may irritate us.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
A team or at least give a chance or participate and to show their talent in that. A new member get a chance to study from the superior one.
Ma'am, in many cases, teamwork fails because of the mistake of one or two members of the team.
Our youngsters on 23rd January when the government banned the Jallikattu.
Yes, we got justice in Jallikattu. It's only because of our teamwork.
Ma'am, we can also take an example like COVID. This pandemic situation is under control because it's not only the guidelines of the government, because it's the cooperation of everyone who supported and followed the guidelines that is given by the government.
Yes, it's collective work that brought success.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Teamwork is the stage of individual potential. Example, in the 2019 Cricket World Cup semi-finals, India lost the match because of the lack of effort of the rest of the team. Even though Jadeja scored the highest run, he had to depend on others.
Even a small careless mistake of an individual in a team leads to the complete team's failure. That's what Bushkin gave as an evidence. Now, let us hear it from Sherry. Even an individual's careless mistake leads to a team's failure. That's what we understood from the evidence of Bushki. Now let us hear what Sharon has to share with us.
Teamwork creates a strong relation between the team members, and even if they are given a risky task, it can be completed successfully.
Yes, it's right here. Even if you give a very big task to 10 people, they won't consider it as a big task. But if you give that same task to an individual, he may get depressed immediately.
In a team, there will be up to 6 to 8 members. And when a responsibility is given to each members of the group, some may be lazy, so they will try to escape from their responsibility. When the teamwork fails, they will put every blame upon the leader.
So what you feel is, there is chance for quitting their responsibility, right? And leader is the one who is going to take every responsibility, even if it is fail or succeed, right?
Ma'am, let me tell you one thing, that teamwork will always help everyone to learn more and more things.
The discussion is going quite well, but it's time for us to wind up the session. So let me tell you one thing, whether it's an individual work or teamwork, hard work is the one which helps us to win. Even in a teamwork, the contribution of each individual is very important to make the project a successful one. We all know we get honey from beehive. And again we knew one thing, that it is not a single work of a single honey, but it is a collective work of a colony. So on behalf of everyone present here, let me wish the newly elected school people leaders and ministers to work together as a colony to produce honey. Honey, the positive changes in teaching and learning process. Lovely students, for your active participation, thanks a lot for that. Let us meet you all together once again in another episode of My Words or Your Words. And with that, it's Bee shining off. Bye-bye.
Dear Parliament members, dear teaching faculty, supporting staff, and my dear parents, today is the pride moment for our kids as well as for the parents. These students have been elected to the post that are being given to them. School people leaders, ministers, and house captains are some of the major posts that we have created for this academic year. On this moment of pride, I congratulate all the elected members, and also I congratulate the parents who prepared these students to become what they are today. I want to stress 2 points to you. The two fundamental universal values are called to be responsibility and respect. My dear students, you are given the chance to exercise the value of responsibility not only in your personal life but also in your social life. We all love to respect each other and we all like to be respected by others. Therefore, it is important to understand each and every individual who are interested to you with proper respect. Don't humiliate anybody. And when you are inculcated these two fundamental values in life, that are respect and responsibility, I am sure we are preparing you as better citizens who will always keep up the spirit of India. Your parents, they are very happy because you made them happy. They must be shedding tears of happiness because from your family you have been elected to a post. My dear kids, you must go beyond and you are capable of going beyond. We are born to go beyond. We are not limited being. Possibilities are more. Potentialities are high. Therefore, explore the possibilities and go beyond and outshine. In this moment, My dear kids, you are elected to serve, not to rule. I repeat, you are elected to serve, not to rule. You are elected to help. You are elected to accompany. You are elected to understand the other. And you are elected to travel with them so that you can be the example for others. The first and most important thing that is expected from you is you should be exemplary. What you speak, that you must do. At this moment, I appreciate and congratulate all of you on behalf of all our faculty members, our students, your parents, and on behalf of our management. I extend sincere appreciation and congratulations for you or on this elevation. Finally, your success starts now, but it should not end. If your success ends at the end of this academic year, then that day is called the failure day. Therefore, the success that starts today should continue to flourish, and it should remain a success. I wish you all the best. God bless you. And you are born to serve, not to rule. God bless.
Familiar term for our Bedanians is Bedania. Yes, Bedania is the art of celebration which provokes the individual and the group talent of our students. With a pre-planned effort, Bedania 2021-2022 will be on screen very soon. It's my time to invite the captains of Hunting Tiger, Akash and Benita S. Gifley. Now, you can come on the stage and get the badges. It's my turn to invite the captains of Fearless Jaguar, Ashik and Nizarine on dice. Ferocious Panthers captain Alfred Selvaraja and Ishana Nidhi, please be on stage to get your badges. Now I call upon Cheerful Cheetahs captain Jijo and Beshia on stage to get their badges. My dear students, give a competitive spirit, be hunting like a tiger and cheerful like a cheetah, be ferocious in your action and fearless in all your deeds. Wishing you all the very best for the Bedania, all the best for the captains.
A great leader's courage to do things come from passion, not position. A warm and graceful morning to one and all present here. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks speech and acknowledge the contribution of those who really worked hard for this to make this Inverse Teacher ceremony. On behalf of Bedani Navjeevan CBSE School, first of all, I thank to Almighty God for making this event a grand success. By His blessings, we are able to make the event. On behalf of my school, I give a really heartfelt thank to our beloved principal, Dr. Reverend Father John Christopher OIC, who stand as pillar of power. Thank you, Father. With a deep sense of appreciation, I thank all my loving teachers for their untiring efforts. Thank you, teachers. I thank all the parents who came for this wonderful occasion. Without your support, they are not able to excel. Thank you for joining with us. At last, but not the least, I thank each one of you who made this day memorable of all of us. On behalf of my school, I thank all the students to be honored and be disciplined. Thank you, students.
I promise that I will make sure that all my brothers and sisters get equal opportunities to showcase their
I will
talent.
also keep discipline and I will make sure that all students and friends are getting equal opportunity to participate at
I
every
promise you that
and
all the students' concerns and problems will be properly announced in the cabinet and parliament meetings.